is the Human mobile device, the most affordable yet refreshing mobile device I've ever used. Let's talk about it. First, the name HMD. Human Mobile Device is a company known for reviving the Nokia brand, so they also create their devices known as the HMD, what we have here. But let's come back and talk about this one, the AQ, the HMD AQ. This is an entry-level device that will be costing about 1,250 Ghana cedis, literally less than $100. Then begs the question, how were they able to get the price to this low? That is what we are going to find out together. To begin with, let's see what comes in the box when you decide to purchase one of these. Because it's made for new users, they put almost everything in here. An earpiece, a charging cable, a charging adapter, and even a soft case. And the device itself. It's a very simple entry-level looking device with a textured back, which I really love. It's an all plastic build with a fingerprint sensor built into the power button. I was so glad to see we have a Type-C charging port at the bottom and a headphone jack as well. Definitely a refreshing feature to have in 2025. For the building design, like I said, it looks very entry level. It feels very good in the hand. It's lightweight, so you're not going to be complaining about it. It's a plastic build, so you know when you drop it, you are not going to destroy it. But it doesn't look cheap. It actually looks good, minimal, and very nice looking. Now let's talk about the display. It's a 6.5 IPS LCD panel with 576 x 1280 pixels. Totally expected for the price point. There are bezels all around with a dewdrop looking camera design. Taking consideration of the price point, I think this is very expected. This is what an entry-level display definitely looks like. It plays media well. Whilst consuming YouTube videos, it can actually go out to 1080p. Most people won't even complain about it. The colors are decent as well, just that under direct sunlight, you might have some challenges. It's decent for most daily activities, watching TikTok videos, YouTube videos, and the rest. And if you decide to do some light gaming on here, you can actually get around it like this. One thing I kinda like though has to do with the operating system. It's running Android Go edition with Android 14. It has no bloatware. All the stuff we've been complaining about most devices. The only new application I could find on it was an HMD device and maybe Facebook. I think everybody uses Facebook and YouTube, so you can't complain about that. Like simple Android, no crazy skins on here, it's just basic. Granted, it has just 4GB of RAM and 56GB of storage, so maybe that's all it can actually support. Battery life is a massive 5000 mAh battery and it even comes with a charger inside the box. Considering the power of this 5000 mAh battery and this being an entry-level device, I'm definitely sure you can go days without charging this device. Now let's talk about the cameras. We have a 13 megapixel main sensor for the main shooter and a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and these are some media that were captured with this device. Okay, so this is a selfie camera video test. Wow, sun is out, bright. Let me know what you think about the contents. Let me go sit down in the shade. This is how it looks like when you're sitting down in the shade. This is what we get. Let me know what you think about the skin tones. Also the microphone. How does the microphone sound? Let me switch to the main camera. Let's see how it looks too. The main camera. This is like a real life test. This is how it looks like. Let me just go back to the sun. Let me know what you think about this footage in the comment section down below. Let me talk about the skin tones, dynamic range, microphone and all. I see you down there. So what do I think about the HMD device? I actually like how it feels in the hand. It feels really lightweight and the textured feeling at the back makes it feel very, very premium. The display is an entry-level looking display, but the fact that it looks like stock Android and feels like stock Android, I really, really enjoy. And for 1,250 Ghana cedis only, I think this is a very, very decent device that you might consider getting. That's usual. Follow me for more tech tips and tricks like this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.